Here's the pitch. Sooner or later, we're going to wake up to the fact that we're in serious trouble over climate change, and we're really going to have to do something about it. And what's more is that our economic system, the way we think, the way that we've been brought up, doesn't really prepare us of how to deal with it. We're going to have to change the way we think. We're going to have to reconnect ourselves to the landscape, to nature, understand resources in a whole different way, understand the absolute imperative importance of biodiversity, and of understanding the rules of ecology, of nature, and working how to apply those. We've lost touch with where our food comes from. We don't really know, we just don't know where our food comes from, but with re-engaging with the population, re-engaging with people, we can rebuild landscapes, we can repair them, we can change our relationship to the world around us. This is the beginning of, environmental thinking. And this is the kind of thinking, it's the only kind of thinking that's actually going to enable us to escape the worst ravages of climate change. We need to relocalize our food supply. We need to really think about the way that we produce food and the farming systems. Different farming systems actually give the opportunity to support wildlife and biodiversity and be productive, and perhaps systems that are stable without the continued input of pesticides and fertilizers. We need to understand, rediscover traditional skills, traditional landscape use, traditional understandings of materials, building, and start to integrate all of these things together to create a whole new world of possibilities. So that's what permaculture is. It's a whole new world of possibilities. It's a design system that conforms to the rules of ecology and the potentials of natural systems to self-regulate and be naturally abundant. So this is what the Academy about as an idea, is to build a network, is to connect together existing farms, projects, housing co-ops, teaching strategies, teaching initiatives together. So rather than creating a new institution, is build an institution by joining together with the existing ones. I've been involved in running permaculture design courses and forest gardening courses for some years now, 20 years perhaps. We reconnect people with landscape, reconnect people with reality. We've built an amazing network over the years. There's some 300-400 graduates from our 2-week residential course. There's hundreds and hundreds that we've done day courses with, and outreach stuff into communities with as well. And we want to kind of formalise that network and create something, a more structured way for us to teach, to share knowledge, and to carry on, impacting and connecting into communities. The whole permaculture thing is tremendously exciting. It's full of possibilities. We need to get it into the curriculum. I'm very interested in thinking of working with people who can help us formulate formal learning pathways for all sorts of different kinds of groups. Also, we need to make permaculture as accessible as possible. At its heart, it's really simple. It doesn't demand that much of us, and we can work with what we have around us. We can work with and share knowledge, build strong local groups, get outside and observe nature, understand how we can apply that to design, how we can actually turn our own gardens and edge spaces into productive spaces. We can rethink about buildings and spaces that we use, and incorporate all of that into a training program, which is what the brilliance of the Permaculture Design course is. In 2 weeks, people come on this course and leave having done a design, having actually experienced a new set of ideas, or a set of ideas that join together some of their own existing understanding, and then give them a set of tools to turn that into, to turn their own aspirations into real things, to make changes to the world that enhance sustainability, enhance community interaction. We've been doing this consistently for 10 years. in running these courses, and in that time we've connected with a vast array of different projects and people and different places that we've visited and worked with and community gardens that we've helped start, and this has formed us a really incredible kind of informal network. And it struck us here at Sector 39 is that this network is something really special, and it actually enables us to deliver a range of learning opportunities to different groups of people in different circumstances, and to sort of build case study and share best practice, whilst building a network that nourishes and supports practitioners and projects that are engaged in doing this stuff. Everybody likes to talk about what they're doing, everybody wants to share what they're doing. So that's why I'm asking you to support this campaign. Thank you very, very much for listening.